The video transmission technology previously used on DJI drones has evolved into something more powerful. Introducing DJI Transmission, an integrated video transmission solution that gives cinematographers a groundbreaking coordinated shooting experience. Equipped with DJI's latest O3 Pro transmission technology, this system offers an impressive 20,000-foot transmission range. It also supports video transmission at 1080p 60 FPS with end-to-end ultra-low latency. DJI Transmission supports seamless automatic frequency hopping between 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and DFS frequency bands. Users can also swap channels manually to avoid interference between devices on large sets. By mounting high-gain antennas, signal strength can be enhanced by 40%, and transmission capability can be boosted even further. The 7-inch, 1500-nit wide-gamut touchscreen delivers rich and authentic colors, even in strong lighting conditions, providing tools for composition, focus, and exposure assistance for a superb monitoring experience. In control mode, live feeds can be monitored and the gimbal and camera can be controlled remotely from 2 receivers simultaneously. Expand the number of monitors at any time by turning on broadcast mode. This gives a potentially unlimited number of crew members the ability to monitor video feeds in real time for unparalleled shooting efficiency. It can be easily mounted onto Ronin 2 or an RS series stabilizer and can be directly powered by the gimbal. The HiBrite remote monitor has a built-in gyroscopic sensor that allows it to act as a standalone motion controller for the gimbal. With DJI Force Pro, it also enables more direct and responsive gimbal control. In mirror control mode, the virtual keys on the monitor can be used to remotely control the menu of Sony mirrorless cameras. That means users won't need direct access to their camera in order to adjust settings. Add the Ronin 4D hand grips to the HiBrite remote monitor for intuitive control of the gimbal, focus, and start-stop recording, similar to the experience of using a Ronin 4D. When you use DJI Master Wheels. Master Wheels control signals will be sent through DJI transmission channels, which improves transmission performance by up to 3 times with enhanced stability and reliability. The HiBrite remote monitor offers a wide range of expanded features, allowing flexible recording of 1080p 60 FPS H.264 footage when using a micro SD card, as well as independent playback on each monitor. DJI Transmission supports WB37, NPF, and V-mount battery options, in addition to a variety of ports to meet diverse needs. DJI Transmission gives users a powerful device that packs reception, monitoring, control, and recording all into one, helping to push the limits of your creativity and revolutionizing the industry. This is vision beyond boundaries.